smoking in here?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Don't fucking smoke in here. I've told you that several times.
Okay, well.
No, seriously, Amy. It's fucking bad for the baby. I don't want to fucking have it around me. Like, stop being so selfish. That's all you do. Just think of yourself.
Oh, okay.
Well, don't smoke in here.
Okay, sorry.
اللي كان طبق النهارده من العربيه طلب كذا كمان. اشمعنى يا فوله مسقيه من بحر يوسف من ارض طينتها غزل كذا متر. كان راجل زمان يقول لي الارض كل ما طينتها تغوط كل ما تلين وطرحها يحلو. انت كده
You're such a fucking idiot. You're so selfish, eh? Like so fucking selfish. The only fucking person you is yourself. You're a piece of fucking shit. You don't decide to fix anything, you just decide, oh, I'm just going to ignore her because she's a fucking issue right now.